2
We'll
hours.
start from the basics. We'll start from the basics. So how many hours you can practice per day, please? Please, I'll wait. We'll start from the scratch.
1 to 2 hours.
Well, yeah, others, please. Minimum 1 hour, everyone, please. I'll wait.
Yeah, 1 hour.
Yes, sir.
Yes, one.
Minimum 1 hour, please. Everyone, please. Yep, I'll
Yeah,
wait.
1 hour.
Perfect. Let's get started slowly. Others, please. Minimum 1 hour, okay? We'll start from the scratch. Everyone, please. Yes. Yes, everyone, please. Minimum 1 hour.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Practice.
Yes.
Perfect. Let's understand slowly what is Power BI. Why we need Power BI. Let's start from the scratch carefully. This is Sai Pranindra from SQL School. I assure you complete practical classes from scratch, right from the basics. And today, let's have a short session on what is Power BI and why we need to go for it. Okay, let's get from the scratch carefully, step by step. And we're actually waiting for a few other participants to join. We're actually waiting for a few other participants to join. So I'll just make sure. I think, yeah, almost everyone is in now. Almost everyone is in. Good to start, good to proceed. Let's have the doubts and clarifications after the session. Okay, let's have doubts, clarifications after the session. Let's get started. Let's start from the scratch carefully. And here we go. Hope you can see me, everyone. Please, just to make it interactive, okay? Yep.
Yes, sir.
Hope you can see me, please, everyone. Please. Yep.
Yes.
Perfect. Perfect. Yeah. Let's make it interactive. And here it is. Before we start, I'll provide you the complete class notes. I'll provide you the complete class notes week-wise, okay, on my screen. You'll be having the complete class notes week-wise, okay, every week. And I request you to take print copies of the notes, proper formatted Word documents, what is what step by step, as you see on the screen, item-wise. You'll take print copies of the notes, first thing. Number two, you'll be having the handwritten items, okay, like underlining, writing the meaning of few important highlighted bold keywords, etc. And you'll WhatsApp me after the class, or other option. You may also WhatsApp me your handwritten observation notes. Sounds interesting, right? Something like this, friends, on my screen, just to show you. On my screen, I just downloaded this yesterday to show you something like this from our other batches. It works, you know, it works. Let's involve each other, okay? Let's involve to get some more clarity on what we are learning. Please help me. We are into technical classes, and this is the only PPT for the entire course. Trust me, this is the only PPT for the entire course. Let's be transparent. Let's make it clear and straight. And I assure you, complete practice classes. I assure you. At the same time, you have to assure me you will do on-time practice, because things are a bit vast. 7 tools, 7 design tools, plus 2 technologies, Power Query and DAX. 7 plus 2, 9. Plus 2 hosting solutions, cloud and report server. So total there are 11 components we need to learn. That makes the complete Power BI house. So Power BI is not just a tool, okay? It is a big science, an analytical science. Let's enjoy its beauty carefully, step by step. Yes, please, everyone. Are we ready? Please.
Yeah,
Please,
sure.
everyone. Please, mic with you
Yes,
all,
sir.
please.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Perfect.
Yes, sir.
Let's get started. Few attendees, please. I didn't hear you. Please check.
Yes,
You
sir.
want my notes?
Yes,
I
yes.
want your response. Let's
Yes.
be clear, please. I want
Yes,
your
sir.
response so that you get my notes. This is a demo class. You have to filter your trainer. I have to filter my participants. Please help me, and we are good to go. And once again, I assure you, my 100% I'll give you. You need to give me your 100% as well in terms of practice and on-time response, on-time submission of everyday assignments from today. I understand we are all having our own job work and we are all occupied round the clock. By weekend, you'll be completing all your assignments, but practice on time, please, every day. Practice on time, and assignments, please submit max by weekend. We are meeting Monday to Friday. Saturday, Sunday, I'll be available on WhatsApp and call and Google Meet, whatever it is, for doubts, clarifications to continue your learning process. Let's get started now. Let's understand what is Power BI, why we need to go for it, and how we can put our right leg towards our learning process. We'll go for questions after some time, okay? Give me some time. We'll go for questions after a few moments. And what is Power BI? It's all about bringing vegetables from the market. Really, okay? Bringing vegetables from the market and store them in our fridge, refrigerator. That is called in-memory database. Remember, friends, in-memory database from tomorrow. What is that? Keep the data in memory database from tomorrow. Remember, let's make it easier and let's make it tasty. And then get to the kitchen area. Get to the kitchen area, slice it, dice it, clean it, mash up. We call mash up activities. Just like mashing up a potato or a tomato, we are going to mash up the data here. There are different tools to mash up the data. And then comes the actual recipe. Analyze and share to the users, either dine in or take away. Dine in at our home, weekends, or take away office or business days. That is what Power BI means. Yes, in our Power BI classes, we need to learn something called analytics. We need to learn something called as big data access. We need to learn something called as data platform and AI CoPilot activities for quick calculations. So Power BI is a suite of tools to design reports and perform big data analytics. Don't mind, okay? I'm just getting my other screen here. Okay, I'll be having my alternate screen, right? A computer backup, network backup, power backup, everything should be streamlined, right? We need it so that there is no hassle in between. Okay, let's concentrate on the delivery part once we are having all the backups ready. So I need to look into my side monitor as well, just to make sure the broadcast is intact. Okay, it should be like, I need to test it first live. Now, what is this again? Power BI is a recipe. Okay, remember, it's a recipe. From this recipe, we are going to learn something called as platter. What is that? Platter, dashboards on my screen now. On my screen now. Here it is, friends. On my screen, observe carefully. Here you see something called as, I'll just take you to a different view. Yes, friends, on my screen now, we have something called reports, dashboards. Both are different. Report is a recipe. Dashboard is a collection of recipes, a collection of items, just like a non-veg platter we order in a restaurant over the weekend. Just like that, really, it's just like that. So dashboard contains multiple report items together. So report 1, report 2, report 3, and a part of report 4 and a part of report 5 clubbed together is called a dashboard. Remember, we are going to start with the reports and then get the dashboard quick. We'll do it carefully, practically. Now, from where we get the reports? From data. Where is the data? Yes, here we go. Data can be from anywhere. Data can be from our websites. We are going to use our SQL School website, one of the examples. We are going to use our SQL School website and pull the data. We are going to use something called as Excel files, flat files, PDF files, CSV, JSON, AVRO, XML, HTML, etc. Don't worry, okay? I'll provide you all the data sources. I'll take care of all data sources we need to do in our classes practically. I'll do it. No worries about it, okay? So we need to bring data from various sources. And how Power BI understands the data? Yes, there is something called Power Query. Remember, what is that? Power Query. Power Query. Please, in case you are writing your observation notes, that's really good to have it. What is that? Power Query concepts we call. Using Power Query, we are going to read the data on my screen now. Here it is. See, left side we have files, right? On my screen, friends, files, apps, websites, etc. We get the data using Power Query because Power BI needs an interface, right? An adapter in between. Then what about databases? We have SQL. Remember, database sources. We have SQL to pull the data and store it into the Power BI. We said in-memory database, remember. From there, we go to the kitchen area called Power Query again for additional mashup activities, slicing, dicing, cleaning, etc. Non-database sources, they don't know SQL. They don't understand SQL. So we have Power Query to access the data. So database sources, SQL is mandatory. Non-database sources, Power Query is mandatory. And from there we have Power BI for beautiful, colorful reports. Please, are we getting some idea? Please, everyone. Purpose of Power BI. Reporting.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Please, everyone, please. I'll wait, please.
Yes, sir.
Banu, Janani,
Yes, sir.
Joseph, please. I'll wait, please. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Thank you. And one participant joined with some unknown name. Please. We need to know each other. Please, please. Okay, please. Let's know each other. We are cautious. Please help us. Please help us. You should know me. I should know you. Please kindly recount with a proper name. Please help me. Please. Please don't see me as a sales agent. Please. Please. Please see me as a technology lover. Okay. Technology is going to bless us once we start loving it. Let's continue. Where we are now? Yes, we read data from various sources and write it. Now here it is, friends. Let's go to a star hotel. Okay. Let's go to a star hotel. Let's assume we going to celebrate our course in our Hyderabad office, high-tech city, okay? And we had one star hotel called Ibis. We are just a few buildings beside Ibis hotel in high-tech city, actually. Okay, sometimes, we happen to go there for our team meets, team lunch and all, hence my example. We go to a star hotel, let's assume. And here, in a star hotel, we see Chinese, or Italian, Mexican, multi-cuisine, etc., etc., right? But the raw materials are common, isn't it? On my screen now, let's come to the point, friends. On my screen, left side, Excel, CSV, TSV, text file, DAT file, PDF, AVRO. These are the sources we are going to use in our classes in the same order. For example, initial classes, we have something called as, on my screen, here we go, friends, Excel data source. Slowly we'll move on for something called as CSV file, CSV data. Later comes something called PDF and other things, one by one, slowly, step by step, JSON and etc. And we have something called big data access. Database, big data access, we have it here. So we need to read data from various sources. And there are 6 restaurants in Power BI star hotel. Please by heart these new terms. Power BI desktop like a multi-cuisine. Power BI report builder like a fast food center. Really quick and straight. Just like a fast food center. Really. But at the end of the day, yes, we are going to get reports only. But different tools in Power BI ecosystem to meet either data requirements or customer demands or balancing both. So we have Power BI desktop, the first tool we are going to install today in another 10-15 minutes. And next, we'll get the complete installation instructions so that we'll start our practice from scratch slowly tomorrow. We'll start our practice. Please check your mic, please. Yeah, Swarna Lalita and Joseph, please mute your mics, please. Please help me, please. Thank you. Let's continue. Power BI desktop, something called report builder, Power BI report builder, and Excel. Remember, Excel is very top class activity, top class platform to play with Power BI like anything. Remember, Power BI can be a source for Excel reports, and Excel can be a source for Power BI reports. Remember, please, if we can write it somewhere. We are going to practice them anyway. Excel source, Power BI reporting, and vice versa. Power BI source, Excel reporting. Both are possible. That's the power of Excel. Mainly for data analysis job role, data analyst and business analyst job role. So 1, 2, 3 are mainly towards cloud, the red box, take away. 4, 5, 6 are mainly for dine-in, say within your company's network. The reports are playing within your company's network, within your corporate network. Like our restaurant example. Number 8 cloud, like Zomato, Swiggy, Parcel. Number 9 is all about a la carte and dine-in. So 1 to 6 are the design tools. We design various types of reports. We have something called interactive, paginated, analytical, etc. At the end of the day, we need to get those reports to cloud or to report server, either red box or the green box. I repeat again, remember friends, all these tools need to use common data sources, either veg or non-veg. Okay, I mean to say friends, like non-database data or database data. On to my left, you see non-database data, Excel, CSV, tab, separated value, text file, DAT, etc. DAT is a older format of data. I still remember in my 10th standard, 1999, 10th standard, I learned computers, by going to a town near my village. I'm from Andhra Pradesh, okay. And I used to learn Fox Pro at that time. We used to have something called Basis, COBOL, Fox Pro, etc. There I still remember there is something called DAT files. Old days, I have a 10 years old data with me. DAT file we call. It's an old legacy file, way of storing the data. Some government organizations need that kind of legacy data for more security. So we have DAT files. I have one DAT file from a UK-based government project, NHS, National Health Service, and PDF, Euro, Parquet, etc. AVRO and Parquet are for big data analytics. I said etc. because you have HTML files, etc. Non-database sources. Once again, these data sources I'll take care. Remember friends, from tomorrow, it's all about pulling the data, how carefully we pull the data, and how carefully we get the data to the destination site, that is Power BI reporting. And here, comes something called interactive reports. We are going to learn from tomorrow. Remaining, leave it to me. Let's understand what are interactive reports. I'll take you to my LinkedIn profile just to make it clear and show you a small sample of interactive reports. I'll just quickly go to my feeds. I'll quickly go to my feeds. Yes, my feeds. And I'll show you what exactly interactive report means to make it more easier for us. Just bear with me for 30 seconds. I'll quickly get the required screen. I'll quickly get my required screen. Let's connect on LinkedIn after the class, okay? I'll WhatsApp you my LinkedIn profile. I'll WhatsApp you my LinkedIn profile after the session today. Let's connect on LinkedIn as well. And on my screen now, here it is. These are called parameters. Remember, this is what we are going to practice. These are called parameters, unknown input values during design. And customers will select the required input values at runtime. What are these parameters? Remember. And here, when I hover the mouse, I get some calculations, right? Those are called analytics. 44% increase. Now, why there is increase during this last year, Feb and March, April? Yes, during that time, there will be more number of jobs, usually. Good number of projects in the pipeline to be released, usually for analytics and data science activities. There are different reasons for it, right? From financial closures, from few governments, few countries, to few other activities like economic cycles and so on. Let it be, yes, we got some analytic activities here, okay, like this. And I don't do any promotions, I get something like this, but I'm safe, 600% increase. Okay, fine. I'm happy with it. Again, maybe next week we have to start our promotions again. Again, the things will increase. But this kind of analytics, understanding the business, understanding the flow of data is what we need to do in something called interactive reports, remember. So that is a place where we need to start our classes from tomorrow. So let's go ahead with our installation in another 3 to 5 minutes. We need to install total of 6 design tools. There is one more called number 7, just like a barbecue, live data. In our restaurant example, in case you are writing your observation notes, I was requesting you to get ready with some observation notes, right? Hope you did it for your purpose, for your learning purpose. If not, from tomorrow, please have some observation notes for more easier, simplified understanding of these technical items. Power BI desktop is going to read data in or from any source and get the report and later eventually store it to cloud. Now, what if data gets modified at the source? There should be someone else, something else to pull data from the black box and put it to the red box, and that is gateway. So gateway is a component to ensure up-to-date data. Pull from red, say pull from black or dark box on top and simply push it to the red box live immediately. Let's get started slowly with desktop, Power BI desktop. And on my screen, minor change. We have Power BI desktop with multiple cloud components, AI and CoPilot. And there is something called desktop RS. Here also we have something called AI and CoPilot we need to learn in our classes. I'll provide you this cheat sheet. Kindly take a color print of this entire sheet. Please, kindly take a color print of this entire sheet. We are going to start with installation today. and slowly step into basic design activities from tomorrow. We'll go in this process slowly, step by step, so that we get beautiful and colorful reports for our day-to-day analytics. We need to work with data engineering projects or data analysis projects, business analysis developer or data science projects. Common tool Power BI or common technology called Power BI. Let's get started now slowly, step by step, how to install Power BI. And we have good number of examples in our classes. And to get our classes more useful, I kindly request you to revise SQL concepts. Don't take them light. If someone says, okay, Power BI is easy reporting tool, correct, easy reporting tool. But at the same time, we have to make it useful. We have to make it colorful and flexible. So MS SQL or any SQL concepts are required. Kindly revise your SQL concepts during your free time. I could see if you attendees completed SQL from me earlier. Kindly revise them. Attendees are new into my classes. Please, my kind request, either you go for MS SQL plus Power BI combo registrations, or you're already aware of SQL, revise them and use me for your doubts clarifications. I am flexible. But make sure you revise MS SQL concepts by next week classes. Why next week? Let's go to our notes now. On to my notes. From today we are into introduction. Tomorrow we'll slowly start the basic report design. And we are going to take file data source, FILE file, Excel file. Next class, CSV file. And then comes PDF and other files one by one. By next week, we need to have DAT files and all. Next week, we need to have something called SQL database. We need to write few queries to bring the data. So by next week, I want you to revise MS SQL concepts, especially joins and constraints. These two are the backbones. Joins, constraints, please revise them carefully. That should be enough. So let's make it clear and straight on my screen. What is Power BI? A set of analytic tools, using which we can perform data analytic activities. We read data from various sources. We clean the data, shape the data, format it, and then perform actual reporting operations. Using Power BI, we can securely store the reports and get them into the end user hands, end user apps. What is it? We call it as app. On my screen, we create app. Power BI apps, we call it. We have desktop as well as mobile options or mobile availability, mobile compatibility apps. So we are going to create app, Power BI apps that can showcase the data, report the data. There are 4 types of reports. We are going to slowly start with interactive reports from tomorrow. And we have different tools. Power BI desktop RS. RS means report server. RS means report server, remember. Desktop and desktop RS for interactive reports. Now you can ask me, Sai, why you have 2 tools for interactive reports? Yes, one for takeaway, other one for dine-in. One for cloud, one for secured access and hosting within your company's data center. Same way, paginated reports, quick report, just like a fast food center, I said. Very quick and straight. We have again two options, one for a cloud, one for report server. Yes, here it is. I'll show you something called report builder. What is it? Report builder. Okay, like this. We have one such report builder here. Report builder, this for Microsoft, other one for Power BI. So Microsoft report builder is different. Power BI report builder is different. We have both in our classes. And we have Excel and mobile report publishers. And something called data gateway for data refresh. So 1 to 7 are all tools. We need to get them into our learning box. On my screen, once again, here it is 1 to 7. 1 to 6 design tools and 7 gateway tool. Just by heart this diagram, enough. Really, by heart this diagram, we are done. When to use which is important. And I said, take away cloud or dine-in report server. Cloud supports reports, dashboards, apps. 3 items. Whereas the report server supports only reports. No apps, nothing. So here we have report server and service. Service means cloud. Service means cloud, remember, and server. To work with these 1 to 7 items, we need two helping objects, 8 and 9. 8, Power BI, Power Query. I said kitchen area, right? Cleaning, shaping the data, mass up activities. Whereas DAX, for data analysis expression language, mainly for calculations like star ratings. Simple example, star rating. 4-star, 3-star ratings will be there, right? Possible through DAX. Or the other minute, I was showing you something like this. Calculations. These are possible through DAX. See, it says, for example, 44% increase the previous day. Means what? The rate of increase day by day or the rate of decrease day by day. We say delta. Delta calculations, differential in data. It is possible using DAX. So any kind of simple terms, any kind of cleaning activities in the kitchen area, Power Query, remember. Any kind of decoration in the dining table, really, okay? The dining table decoration, DAX. Friends, let's be clear in what we learn. Let's be clear. Any kind of data extraction, cleaning, slicing, dicing, Power Query. Decorating the data, star ratings. Over the mouse, we get the analytics and the calculations, power of DAX. So DAX is the garnishing area. Power Query is a cleaning area. Power Query first, DAX next, remember. In our classes, onto my screen, in our classes, we need to hit a half century in Power Query on my screen. Same way, another half century for DAX. Friends, things are very simple and straight. Really, they are very, very simple and straight. At the same time, we have to make them useful. With this small introduction, let's slowly step into the installation process. Before we do the installation, let's go for questions, doubts, and we need to start with first report next, tomorrow. Today we'll do the installation process. What we're installing? First tool, Power BI Desktop. Why? To design interactive reports. From where we get these reports? Using various sources like tables, database, or files, non-database. So let's start with the installation. Before that, item 1, to 5. Any questions, please let me know. I'll wait. Please. In the meantime, I'll compose the email with all this content as I hear from you for the doubts clarifications. Please let me know, friends. Please, I'll wait for some time, please. I'll just switch out my other computer and start sending the emails in the meantime. Please wait. Please wait. I'll just off the camera for some time. Yes, please. Any questions, let me know, please. I'll wait. Yep, I think everything is fine. Everything is fine. Yes, friends. Any questions, please? Arvind, Banu, Janani, Joseph, any questions, please? Kavita, Sri, Prabhakar, Samita, Srinu, Swarna Lalita, please. Any questions? Yoras, please check it, please. I'll wait. Please, any questions, let me know, please. In the meantime, I'll compose the email.
I have one question.
Tell me, brother, please proceed. Tell me.
So you have mentioned interactive reports, but interactive reports are dashboards because we are not talked about
Sir,
dashboards.
dashboards are entirely different. In Power BI, reports are different, dashboards are different, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Technology to technology, terminology changes. You know, in Tableau, dashboards are different. In Power BI, dashboards are different, sir. On my screen, a dashboard is different, and
Okay.
a report is different. Paginated reports, or for example, something called mobile reports or interactive reports. On my screen, brother, interactive reports
Yes.
are different. Paginated reports are different, and so-called dashboards are different. They're entirely
But
different. On my screen.
yeah, dashboard. Which tool we use to create dashboards in
We'll see,
Power
sir.
BI?
We'll see one by one.
This.
There is no
Okay,
tool
sure.
for creating dashboard. There is no tool for creating dashboards in Power BI. We use
Okay.
cloud directly. We use cloud to create the dashboards. Okay.
Okay.
All tools are mainly for reports only. We go to
Okay.
cloud and get the dashboards, brother. I'll show you once again. This one. Dashboards are the byproduct of cloud. Got it?
Okay.
On my screen.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So 1 to 6 reports only. Number 8,
Okay.
dashboards also.
Dashboard.
Okay, this is the answer to
Okay.
my question. Perfect. Yep.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you. Next question, please. In the meantime, I'll compose the email. Please, I'll wait. Please, any questions, let me know. Please, I'll wait. I'll compose the mail in the meantime. Ask me some questions, please. Please help me, please, Yuvaraj, Swarna Lalita, Srinu. Please let me know. Arvind, others.
No questions,
Like,
sir.
fine,
No
sir.
Yeah,
questions.
nothing from my
Okay.
end.
Fine. Did I inject too many points, or are we clear with everything? Let me know.
We are clear with it.
Yeah, I understand.
Am I clear with all my points, or did I inject too many things? Is it? Let me please. This is the complete synopsis. Please let me know.
Yeah,
It's perfect, sir. It's clear.
Perfect.
fine.
Very perfect. Let's continue our next activity. To start our practice from tomorrow, I need your support. Please take print copy of the notes. I'll mail you today. We are going to start from the scratch technically. What is report? What is Power BI? And going straight into our practice tomorrow. For that, we need to download the software. I'll provide you this download link. What happened? I'll provide you the download link. I'll make sure I'll provide you the correct download link. I can quickly get it from here. Yes, on my screen, Power BI desktop. No, it's asking for Microsoft App Store, right? No, not required, not required. I'll quickly Google it for the new Power BI updated link. No need to go to Microsoft app, not required. We have this one, friends, okay? Direct file. This one, download, okay? Power BI desktop download and select 64-bit. Select 64-bit. Okay, I'll update my notes anyway. Select 64-bit download. Once it is downloaded, remember, as usual, we proceed for installation. Go for 64-bit because 32-bit does not support CoPilot AI component. Install 64-bit. Download, install, accept licensing terms, and restart your computer. So that from tomorrow, we are going to start with non-database reporting, SQL not required for this week classes. By the time we travel to next week, for the remainder of the course, we need SQL. Remember, not just for data access, even to understand Power Query, to understand DAX, we need SQL. Let's make our classes useful. Okay, no compromise learning, then our learning will be safe. Let's have non-database sources, SQL not required for this week classes. From next week, SQL mandatory, joins, group by, please revise. In the meantime, my tool is almost done. Say, I think 70 to 70% download is done. In the meantime, I'll compose the email to send you all the information. My download is going on, okay? In the meantime, I'm sending you this is my WhatsApp number, okay? Just in case. I'll include only one number to avoid possible confusion in future. I'll include this introduction document, all points of introduction, single screen text file, quick revision, quick recap. For tomorrow's class, I'll send you the report, basic report Word document, and the relevant data source, and additional items coming up tomorrow's class anyway. Whatever is required for tomorrow, first few minutes, I am sending you the notes up front. Please take print copy. Our team shall send the complete 1 week notes in advance after tomorrow's session. Once you confirm your participation and once you confirm your comfortable time, then we'll proceed from there. For today, let me send you the intro notes and the installation basic report design notes. Kindly take print copy. Please help me. There are few questions from tomorrow. Googling will not work. Please, we practice carefully. It works. Question number 2 on my screen. By end of tomorrow's class, we should be ready to understand the questions and give our valuable attempt for the answers. These everyday assignments you'll submit by weekend, but better to submit as soon as possible. You'll practice everyday class notes as it is and submit concept-wise FAQs on email. These are not for namesake FAQs, okay? There are some twists. We need to get them carefully for better hold of the subject. Now let me tell you the feeling upfront, friends. Let's be transparent. During the class, I'll provide the example, right? You go, oh, okay, very good, okay, very easy, right? Okay, drag here, drop there, click here, and say cascade there like this. But once you start your practice, I'm sure you'll feel to practice again. Once you start attempting my FAQs, really, you'll again feel to practice. Really. My FAQs will make you feel to practice again and again until we are confident. Yes, questions outside the notes, answers within the notes. I repeat, questions outside the notes, answers within the notes. I'll make it happen. Please, let's go together. Things should be useful. Let's have no compromise in our learning process. Need your support. We'll stop for now. And I think my installation, my download would have been completed by now. Yes, it is completed. We'll stop here. Make sure you go through the notes carefully. I'll be sending the email in another 1 or 2 minutes max. Once we kickstart this installation process, I'll provide you the complete notes. I just double clicked on this file. Let's wait. Let's wait for a few moments. We are now installing this one, okay? Power BI desktop. My system is taking some time to get it. Yes, I got it now. This one, okay? First screen. Nothing technical. Just download, double click, and start installation. We are installing Power BI desktop, first one. It will make you wait for a few moments and then simply hit next, next, finish. It will ask you to restart your computer. Once you restart your computer, you are ready for tomorrow's class. Any trouble during the installation process, please do let me know. We'll take it from there. Email sent just now, kindly check. I'll wait. Email sent just now, kindly check, please. I'll wait. I'll wait for some time. Email sent to everyone, please check it, please. I'll wait for some time. Got the email, please check your spam, junk, promotions also, please. I'll wait. It's going on now. My installation is going through. Yes, friends, please kindly check your mail, please. I'll wait. Kindly check your mail, please. I'll wait. Got it, everyone, please.
Got it,
Got
sir.
it. Got it.
Perfect. Others, please.
Yeah, got
Others,
it.
please, I'll wait.
Yeah, you said it. Yeah.
Sure,
Yeah,
sure. Others,
I am.
please, I'll wait.
Yes.
My installation, just I said next. Anyway, I'll show you the complete installation tomorrow. Just download and start doing the installation. Still going on. Still going on. Let's wait. Fine. Anyway, any questions, let me know. I'll show you the complete installation tomorrow, but the same process. Download, install. Any questions, please? I'll wait.
How many days this course is?
Sir, we'll send you the complete details again. Okay, I think our team have already sent you the course curriculum. We have 4 weeks course, 7 weeks course, and 11 weeks course. Actually, 3 things. Only Power BI it is 4 weeks. I'll show you once again the plans. You can choose whichever you want. I'll show you. Here it is. Only Power BI 4 weeks. MS SQL Power BI 7 weeks. With data engineer 15 weeks. You can choose whichever you want. Yes. Okay. Yes, friends. Email already sent. And we are into Power BI, core Power BI concepts here. We are into core Power BI module. I'll just show you in a different way. Let me take you to one particular screen. Please give me a few moments time. Core Power BI it is 4 weeks. Just to make it clear, I'll show you in a different way. I just closed my PPT. I'll show it in
Not,
it.
yeah, it's not a
Just
clear.
fine. Let's wait. Please wait. Just to make it more clear for us. Okay. Yes. On my screen. Just wait. On my screen, just to make it clear. Yes. MS SQL is a prerequisite for our Power BI complete course. This Power BI is 4 weeks. Yellow box 3 weeks, Power BI 4 weeks. Left 7, right 7. Choose whichever combinations you want. Or you may take only Power BI for now. Later you can decide other course, up to you. You can do. Yep. Hope it is clear. Any questions, please? I'll wait.
So 4 weeks including the project or
Yes, including project. Project, I'll make you do it from next week itself in parallel to the course. For the weekends, you start working on it. Yes.
okay, thank you, sir.
Yep. We may need
It
to
will
extend 1 or 2 or 3 days. It depends. But yes, we start project parallel to the course. We need it. Yes, please.
it
Any more questions, please? I'll wait.
will provide to resume preparations or like interview questions, how to face
Yes,
the
brother.
interviews and all this.
I think you joined a bit late today, right? I was telling every day we have FAQs. Every day from day one, we have it. We have it every day. Yes, for the purpose of resume, we do it. Yes, I'll take it here in this way. I'll show you. Yes, we have FAQs, interview questions. See, we need them, right? When I'm providing the detailed notes, step-by-step notes, I need to provide you the remaining artifacts, certification guidance, part of the course. And at the same time, you have project, resume, part of the course. I'll take care of this. These are the takeaways. Yes. Any further questions, please? I'll wait. Any further questions, please? I'll wait. Fine, friends. Thank you. Meeting tomorrow. Need to log into my next class now. Please complete your installation if possible. I'll start from installation tomorrow, understanding the components. Thank you. Have a nice time. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you, sir.
thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Very much.
Thank you. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, friends. Thank you. Thank you. Yep. Any more questions, please let me know. I'll wait, please. Just in case, I'll stay back. Any more questions, please? Fine, friends. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay. Have a nice day. Thank you. Meeting tomorrow. Yep. Leaving now. Thank you so much. Stop for now.